Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one numerical, that is to find view factor for a semicircular duct. Now let us understand the question. The question is, for a very long semicircular duct having surface areas A2 and A1 as shown below, determine view factors F11, F12, F21, F22. Now here, this surface area of the semicircular duct is A2, and here this bottom area is A1. Let us say the diameter of duct is D. Let us say the diameter of duct is D. Therefore, can I say it will be having some length L? It will be having some length L. Therefore, can I say the area 1? Can you able to understand here? Area 1 is diameter into length. This diameter into length, right? This will be the area 1. Area 2 is this circular area, right? Therefore, this circular area is nothing but this circular for length L, right? Therefore, this half circle for length L is nothing but this is pi d by 2 into L, right? It is a surface area. Therefore, area 2 is surface area. For complete circle, it is pi dl, but it is half circle, therefore pi dl by 2, right? This will be area 2. Now, my dear students, they are asking safe factor of both surfaces. For both surfaces combinedly, what are the safe factors? Now, as this surface 1, let us say this bottom surface is 1 and this top surface is 2. Now this surface 1 is a flat surface, and for flat surface the safe factor with respect to itself is always 0. Therefore F11 will be 0. Now my dear students, here the summation rule, that is summation of all safe factor with respect to surrounding is always equal to 1. Therefore F11 plus F12 is equal to 1, and F11 is 0. Therefore F12 is equal to 1, right? Again my dear students, let us use reciprocal theorem. As per reciprocal theorem, the area 1 into safe factor of 1 with respect to 2 is equal to area 2 safe factor of 2 with respect to 1. This is called reciprocal theorem. So let us put here area 1 is dl, d into length, into f1 to 2 is 1 is equal to area 2 is pi dl divided by 2 into f2 to 1. Now here pi dl will get cancelled. Therefore, this f2 to 1 will become 2 divided by pi. F2 to 1 will be 2 divided by pi. Again, let us use addition rule. That is summation of all safe factor with respect to any body is equal to 1. Therefore, F2 to 1 plus F2 to 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, F2 to 2 is equal to 1 minus F2 to 1. Therefore, F2 to 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 divided by pi, which is equal to pi minus 2 divided by pi. This is how also we can write. Right. This is how we can find all the safe factors. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on this topic.